In order to add a Shippo carrier connection in Warehance, go ahead and head over to Shipments and Carrier Connections, and then go ahead and click Create. And if you scroll down, you'll find a few Shippo options. One is going to be USPS, one's UPS, and one's DHL Express. These all use the exact same credentials, and they're pretty easy to add. So I'm going to go ahead and do USPS for this example. Scroll down and click Next. Now it's going to prompt you for a nickname and an API key. I'm going to go ahead and put in a nickname of Shippo USPS, and then we're going to go over to Shippo to find our API key. So now I'm at the goshippo.com, and I'm going to go ahead and click Login. If you don't have an account, go ahead and click Get Started and sign up for one. So I'm going to go to API Portal, and I'm going to go ahead and log in. All right, now I'm logged in to the API dashboard, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the gear icon in the top right, the settings, and I'm going to scroll down to API. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and generate a test token if you want to test with Warehance, but these aren't going to generate real labels. If you want to generate real labels, you're going to have to request a live token, and you should get some sort of contact from Shippo with your token, and it may take a day, but in this case, I've generated a test token, and I'm going to go ahead and use that. So we're going to go ahead and head back to the Warehance page, and I'm going to put that test token here. All right, I've dropped the test token in. I'm going to press Connect, and now I have a Shippo USPS connection. I'm going to go ahead and add UPS using the same token. And again, this is just a nickname and an API key. You can do this with DHL as well. And that is how you connect a Shippo carrier connection.